Welcome to the ultimate journey of physics and maths excellence with Umair Anwar. If you're diving into the realms of O-level or level mathematics and physics, congratulations! You've just stepped into a world where challenges meet excitement. At Physics and Maths with Umair Anwar, we're not just tutors, we're your partners in conquering the thrilling universe of physics and maths. We get it, equations might seem like enigmatic puzzles, and the laws of physics might feel like secrets of the cosmos. But guess what? We're here to unravel those mysteries together and turn the learning process into a captivating adventure. Explore our tutorials meticulously crafted to be your guiding lights, clear, concise, and brimming with excitement. We've sprinkled each lesson with real-world examples and practical applications because we believe that learning physics and maths should be not only enlightening but also downright enjoyable. Whether you're gearing up for exams, wanting to boost your skills, or simply curious about the magic behind advanced math concepts, we've got your back. Join our community of learners who are turning challenges into triumphs and transforming theoretical knowledge into a playground of possibilities. Ready to embark on this educational odyssey with us? Hit that subscribe button, and let's soar through the fascinating worlds of physics and maths together. Don't just study, experience the thrill of learning with Physics and Maths with Umair Anwar.